Hi, welcome to DGP Star Mission channel, Learning English Shorthand with Savitri. In the previous class, we looked at circle S and Z. In this class, I will explain you large circles SW, SS and SZ. A large initial circle written with the same motion as circle S represents the sound of SW. In the previous class, only circle S I taught you how to use. This is a large circle. SW represents the sound of SW. It is used initially only. For example, sweet. Large initial circle plus T, sweet. Here I will show you seat. This is seat. This is sweet. Then sweet. Large circle, then T here, E vowel. Then swim, large circle, M. Sorry. Large circle, M. Swim. Then switch. Large circle, SW, then Ch, E vowel. Again, I will explain you. A large initial circle written with the same motion as circle S represents the sound of SW. It is used initially only. It cannot be employed medially and finally. The initial sound of SW, sweet, SW circle, T, E vowel. Here sweet, SW circle, P, E vowel. Swim, SW circle, M, E here, E vowel. Switch, SW circle, Ch. Next, a large circle used medially and finally represents the sound of either SS or SZ. The medial sound of SS, I will show you the example. Example is necessary. N, large circle, then R, necessary. After R there is a vowel, E vowel. Then successful. S circle, K, then large circle, F, L. This is successful. Here SS circle has come in the middle. Necessary, successful. Next, sound of SZ, exercised. K, S circle, R, exercised. Sorry, exercised. See, this is K, then circles S, then R, large circle, then D. Here I diphthong I placed here in the inside the circle. Then emphasized, I will show you emphasized, M, P, then emphasized, M, P, I diphthong I placed inside the circle. This is emphasized. This is the sound of SZ. It has come medially. In the necessary, SS circle sound has come medially and successful SS circle has come medially. Exercised, SZ circle has come medially. Emphasized, SZ circle has come medially. Then the final sound of SS and SZ I will show you. Passes. P, large circle, R vowel. Passes. Then cases. K, large circle, A vowel. Cases. Then faces. F, large circle, sorry, on the line you have to write since it is a second vowel. Faces. F, large circle. Then for SZ sound, poses. Poses. O vowel. Supposes. S, P, S, supposes. Is it clear now? Once again I'll explain you. A large initial circle written with the same motion as circle S represents the sound of SW. SW circle can be employed only initially. For example, sweet. SW circle and T, sweep SW circle and P, swim SW circle and M, SW circle and itch. Switch. Then a large circle used medially and finally represents the sound of either SS or SZ. Medially, necessary. SS circle has come medially, N, SS circle, then R. Here successful, circle S, K, SS circle and F, L. Then exercised, SZ circle has come in the middle, K circle S, SZ circle, then D. Here emphasize M, P, SZ circle and then D. Here finally it is SS sound passes, cases, faces. Then SZ sound poses, supposes. Next we will see the use of these large circles in the phraseography. These large circles SW, SS, SZ are used in phraseography also. For example, as we have. See, it's a large circle, then have. As we can. As we can. As well as. As well as. In this city. In this city. Here in this city, after S, one more S has come. So, there is SS circle. This is. Then as is or as has. Above the line initial circle. Sorry, large circle. Is, as or is, his. These are the large circles used in phraseography. I'll explain again. Large circles can be used in phraseography also. As we have. Here large circle have. As we can. Large circle can. As well as large circle L. Circle S. In this city. In this city. This is plus one more circle. As is, as, has. Above the line large circle. Is, as, is, his. On the line large circle. Now I'll explain the grammalogs. Grammalogs of this chapter. In any, above the line N you have to write like this. On, through the line like this. Then your, or, on the line. Your, through the line or. Then or like this. Our or our, both can be written like this. Ourselves, our, then a circle, large circle, ourselves, then themselves, it and large circle. In any, you have to write above the line N, then on, through the line N, your, or, on the line, or, through the line for year, or, on the line R stroke, our, R stroke through the line, ourselves, or through the line with large circle, themselves, it with large circles. These are the grammalogs of this chapter. With this, I'll end my today's class. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to English shorthand. Take care. Bye-bye.